Okay, so I tested out a Neon. It's from a company called Neon. Wireless doorbell transmitter receiver combo earlier. And I sort of got it working barely, but it's not very good. One was broken, one didn't work at all, so it's kind of a miss for me. But they sent me another one too. This is a little different. This is actually 300 meters. It actually looks a lot nicer in terms of quality and design, fit and finish. Okay, so this is the receiver, which actually chimes, and then this is the transmitter. And the transmitter, you know, obviously goes by your door. Okay, and this one actually has mounting hardware, which we go through here on the back, so you can mount it where you want, and then or you can do double stick tape to this. Okay, and this is all cut out for there's cutouts for the grooves on the back here. Okay, so you can mount this at the door where you like, and you have the transmitter. Okay, so to open this up. Oops. So it comes with the battery that you need, and you just plug it in here. Okay. And then you close it back up. They say it's waterproof. I don't see any seals on here necessarily. I'm not saying it isn't. I'm just saying I don't see any like rubber seals. But okay, and you see there's a light here. There's plastic covering. I'm not going to take it off yet, but when you push that, there is a light. So you can adjust the volume to 4 levels, press the push control to increase the volume by 1 level. There's buttons on the side here again that control the volume and the different ringtones. So go ahead and plug this in. Hey, it's in Chinese. So listen to this here. I'm going to plug this in. And I don't know what they just said, but we're going to push this. So you can see that it works. It works fine. This one works really well. Those are your volumes. It's pretty loud, and it lights up. And hopefully it'll stop in a second. So I'm changing the ring, but it doesn't change when I. So. To set the chime, you have to hold the volume for 3 seconds. Okay, now. And to stop it, I guess you can push that. No, maybe not. It'll turn off on its own. So it's pretty loud. You can adjust the volumes. So it has to be that loud. And you can adjust it. Different ringtones, and it's working. It works real well. So we'll yank that out of the wall. So let's come back here. So this one works really well, not a problem. The other one that I tested prior to this one, I don't think it was as well made. So you can see these here, and then these are the other ones that I previously did a video for. And they're different brands, but same supplier vendor. This one just didn't work worth a damn. So let me try one more thing here. Sorry. And this one does not work with that one. So anyway, they apparently just get paired to the factory when they send them out. And that's it. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask below. This is probably going to go in my new house, my back door. I'll put a buzzer on it. And that is it. If you have any questions at all, again, please ask. The link to the product will be below. And that is it. Thanks for watching.